Hello, good day and welcome. Today we'll be dealing with University of Abuja Physics post UTME past question 48. How long does a bicycle with an acceleration of 0.8 meter per second squared take to go from 4 to 12 meter per second? Now, A 6.4 seconds, B 10 seconds, C 15 seconds, D 26 seconds, and E none of the above. Now this question is asking us that how long will it take a bicycle to accelerate from 4 meter per second to 12 meter per second? And the parameters we have that our A acceleration equals 0.8 meter per second squared. We have that our U, which is initial velocity, equals 4, and our V, which is the final velocity, equals 12. Now from the equation of motion, you can actually use the first equation of motion, which says V equals U plus AT. What we are looking for is T. We are looking for T, the time. So our V, like I said, is 12, equals U, which is 4, plus A. Our acceleration is 0.8 multiplied by T, which is the time. So we have that 12 minus 4 gives you 0.8 T. 12 minus 4 gives you 8, so 8 is 0.8 T. So now to find our T becomes 8 divided by 0.8, which is 10. Now time is measured in seconds, hence our T, which is time, is 10 seconds. And that's the same thing as option B, 10 seconds. So to take 10 seconds for a bicycle to accelerate at the rate of 0.8 meter per second squared from 4 meter per second to 12 meter per second. Thank you and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to our channel for more videos.